Most students are told the same story. Focus on your studies. Income comes later. Just graduate first. But here's the uncomfortable truth. By the time many students graduate, the job market has already changed. Degrees take years. Skills take months. Income starts earlier than most people think. So the real question isn't, can students earn money while studying? The real question is, why do some students quietly build income, while others wait and struggle later? This video isn't about getting rich. It's not about shortcuts or hype. It's about understanding which side hustles actually work for students in 2026, and why. Setting the stage, why student income matters more than ever, 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. A generation ago, student life followed a clear path. Study gives graduate, gives job, gives income. But today that sequence is breaking. Tuition is higher, living costs rise faster than allowances. Entry-level jobs pay less, but expect more. At the same time, something else has changed. The tools to earn income are no longer locked behind age, offices, or degrees. Students now have access to global platforms, digital marketplaces, remote clients, skill-based income streams. But access alone doesn't create income. Understanding which side hustles match student reality is what matters. Part 1. Origins. How side hustles changed for students. Side hustles didn't start online. In the past, students earned by tutoring, part-time retail delivery jobs, campus work. These required time, not leverage. Then the internet shifted everything. Income became skill-based, platform-based, outcome-based. Now, a student's schedule matters less than what problem they solve, how consistently they show up, how they position their effort. That's the origin of modern student side hustles. Part 2. The rise. WH 2026 is different for students in 2026. 3 things matter more than ever: AI and automation, remote work normalization, creator and service economies. This doesn't eliminate jobs, it shifts where income comes from. Students who adapt early don't need full businesses. They need simple income engines. Let's break them down. The 7 side hustles students can start in 2026. AI-assisted content services, not writing from scratch but editing, summarizing, and structuring content using AI tools. Examples: blog formatting, newsletter cleanup, YouTube script polishing. Why it works: low learning curve, high demand, time flexible, short-form video editing, Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Attention is currency. Creators don't need editors who are perfect. They need editors who are fast and consistent. Students can learn basics in weeks, work remotely, charge per video. Online tutoring, skill-based, not just academics. Tutoring isn't just math anymore. Students tutor. Language practice, coding basics, design tools, exam prep, knowledge plus communication equals income. Freelance research and data support. Many professionals don't want to research. They want answers. Students can compile reports, find market data, organize information. This rewards focus, not experience. Campus-based digital services. Local businesses near campuses often lack digital presence. Students can offer Google listings, setup, basic social media management, website updates. Offline access plus online skills equals advantage. Print on demand or digital products, not physical inventory, just ideas. Examples: study planners, Notion templates, resume designs, low risk, scalable over time. Paid internships with outcome-based value, not unpaid work. Students who provide real results, reports, designs, edits, can negotiate paid roles earlier than expected. Part 3. The breaking point. Why most students quit too early. Most students don't fail because hustles don't work. They quit because results are slow at first, income feels inconsistent, comparison kills motivation. Side hustles aren't jobs. They're systems that need time to stabilize. Part 4. Fallout. What happens to students who wait? Students who wait for later often face panic after graduation, low pay, entry jobs, skill gaps, financial pressure. Early income isn't about money. It's about confidence, leverage, and choice. Part 5. Failed fixes. What students do wrong. Common mistakes: chasing too many hustles, expecting fast money, copying influencers blindly, ignoring consistency. Side hustles reward patience, not hype. Modern parallels. Why this pattern repeats. Every generation has students who start early. Not smarter, not luckier, just aware sooner. The pattern repeats because understanding comes late. 3 clear takeaways. Start small, but start early. Time is the biggest advantage students have. Skills beat degrees for early income degrees help later. Skills pay sooner. Side hustles are practice for real income. Even small income teaches real systems. Final thought: the goal isn't to replace your studies. The goal is to graduate with options, not pressure. Call to action: if you want more student-friendly income explanations, without hype, scams, or fake promises, subscribe to Income Explained. Because understanding income early changes everything later.